Hi everyone, this is Mr. Harding in the library. Today I'm going to show you a short video on how to use library databases to support your research in any class. You'll want to start off at the Atwater High School homepage. From the Atwater High School homepage, please click on the Library tab right here in the middle. From the Library homepage, click Research over here on the left. On the Research homepage, you'll notice that we have 3 database drop-downs. Really quick, a database is simply an electronic resource that helps you find reliable and relevant information to support your research. It's much more reliable than doing just a general internet search. Today I'll be demonstrating how to use GALE databases. So please click on the GALE dropdown. You'll notice that there are several GALE databases depending on subject. Today I will be demonstrating how to use science in context. But please know that if you can use one of these, you can use them all. They all work the same. So click on Science. You'll get a page that looks something like this. The very first thing that everyone is going to want to do once you're inside the database is up here next to the Google symbol, you want to click Sign In. Once you have signed into Google, it will allow you to save any information that you find in the database that you'd like to use for your research. So a quick tour of the database. As you scroll down, you'll notice that there are several topics that are broken up by category. These are useful if you're looking for a topic to study and you're not exactly sure what to study. If you want even more topics, you can click here and browse all of the topics that are inside the database. Again, this is useful if you're not exactly sure what to study. So that's how you browse. To go back to the home page, simply go up here to the GALE in Context tab and click there. Takes you back home. The next thing I'd like to show you is how to do a general search in the database. In order to do that, it's much like searching in Google. You'll go over here to this search bar and type in what you're looking for. So let's say we're doing our research on the disease AIDS. What you can do is simply type AIDS. So this is all of the information in this GALE in Context science database about AIDS. At the top is a table of contents which shows all of the resources that have been found for the topic of AIDS: reference, video, magazines, websites, audio, biography, experiments, lots of news, images, and academic journals. All of those things can be found as you scroll down this way. If you click on an article, feel free to click on any article, this is what you get. Inside the article, you can translate the article, you can change the font size, you can also listen to the article in a variety of languages. It will actually read it to you so that you don't have to read it. Down here is the text of the article. In order to save this article, if you wanted to use it for later, simply click on this Google Drive symbol here, or you can click Send To and select Google Drive. It will automatically create a folder for you inside your Google Drive, and it will have all of the material that you've found in the database there. I'd like to show you some really cool features inside the database articles. The best feature, the one that I like the most, is the ability to highlight text and give it a color and also some notes. So simply highlight something, select a color, and give it a note. So here, let's say you would like to use this in your introduction. You can give it a note like that. And save it. Here's another highlight that I'm doing. I'll give it a different color and give it a note. And maybe this is something you'll use in your conclusion. And if you decide to actually save this article to your Google Drive, all of the notes that you have made for your highlights will actually appear at the bottom of the article inside your Google Drive. Also, if you go back to the article within the database, simply click on it and it will show your notes, any notes that you've made. Those notes can also be found at the top of the article by clicking Highlights and Notes. These are notes that I've made. Another great feature in the database is the ability to cite your sources. It has an automatic citation tool. Simply click Cite here and select the style that you want. There's MLA, APA, and Chicago. Select the style that you want. You can copy and paste into whatever document your teacher's requiring, or you can simply select Google Drive and it will automatically load it to Google Drive for you. One last feature of the database that I'd like to show you is called Advanced Search. If you click here where it says Advanced Search, you'll get a screen that looks like this. You'll notice that there are three search bars. Those search bars are great because it helps you use these three words and or and not to filter in and filter out information. This is very valuable because it allows you to get information that you want and eliminate information that you don't. For example, let's say we're doing our research on AIDS. But specifically, you want to find out about AIDS in the United States. What you would do is select AIDS in the keyword, select the word and, United States. Click search. All of the articles that have been found as a result of that search are about AIDS in the United States. The opposite is also true. If you wanted to find out about AIDS in other countries, you would type AIDS, not United States. All of these articles do not mention the United States with regard to AIDS. Advanced search is valuable because it allows you to include or exclude information in keywords, documents, titles, publications, authors, any of these parameters here. The word and will include information, include two or more pieces of information. The word not will exclude those things. And then the word or will get you both of those things. That is the advanced search feature. Hopefully this brief tutorial has been enough to get you started on your research. If you have any questions or need any help finding information, please don't hesitate to come see me in the library or email me at tharding@muhsd.org. Talk to you later.